We're in. Back with that video like I promised. We getting clean, all my decals coming off. Oh, but it's okay. Those are the days. We gonna get that light wash, man. Make sure this thing get all this stuff off this car I've been trying to get off that I can't get off. Crazy. It's like only these things know how to get it off. Am I the only one that feels like the car wash be the only one that can get it off sometimes? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me all of that.
Like that. Right there, little shimmy tail joint. Don't know what that does. It doesn't know what it does.
Very wet though. Okay. Have y'all ever opened y'all window up in here? Don't. Do not open your window, okay, guys? It's very dangerous. It's not safe, okay? Who y'all favorite team though, man? Leave it in the comment. Who y'all rocking with this year? I like a lot of trades that went on, man. I'm trying to still see where James Harden gonna carry his butt to. He don't know where he wanna go. New Jersey, Milwaukee, Miami. He don't know where he wanna go. Oh, I gotta hit drive, buddy.
Oh, I was supposed to be going to get an oil change today.
Oh my God, that's what I was supposed to be doing. Oh, I can totally go get that done tomorrow though. Okay, guys, I'm finna end this video. That just became really important and I need to check on that. Talk to you all soon.